Hi class, it's Professor Vierson. I hope you're over your shell shock from midterm 2. As you can tell, managerial accounting is not the easiest class to take online. So I am going to help you with some of your homework questions, the main ones. This has to do with the master budget. The first problem we're going to look at is problem E9-20. And there's three basic steps to doing a direct materials budget. And I've put in the first step, and that's where I take the units that are produced, and that I got from the table in January, February, March, and April, or actually March. I'll need the April information. And I multiplied it by the number of actual quantity used of this material. Okay, so this is computer chips. It says in the opening scenario, there are 2 computer chips for each toy. So the quantity needed for production is 2 times whatever the number of toys we're going to produce. So step 1 is convert the units produced to the quantity of material that you need. The second step is you make the adjustment for inventory, and you do that by, first of all, adding the desired ending inventory, which is 25% of the next month. So 25% of 8,400 is 2,100. 25% of March is 2,400 because again it's 25% of 9,600, and then it gives you April over here, and 25% of that is 2,250. So again, the ending inventory for March is April times 25%. Total these all up, or actually I'm going to take the ending inventory at the end of the quarter. So I'm going to add these together. That's the first step, is we add the desired ending inventory, and do some quick math here. And finally, for the quarter, it's 31,450, and check my answer, and it's good. Okay, now to adjust the inventory, I add the desired ending inventory, and I add, or I should say, yeah, I add the desired ending inventory and I subtract the beginning inventory. And I can do that by taking 25% of the January quantity needed, and I can do that for each month. Okay, I can also take a look once I have the ending inventory for next month will be the beginning inventory for this month. So anyway, 25% of 1120 is going to be 2,800. Again, I can just take 25% of this quantity needed. For this one, it's 2,100. 25% of 8,400, and 2,400 is 25% of 9,600. And then I use the beginning inventory for the quarter, which was the January beginning inventory. Add these together and it gives me the total quantity of these computer chips that I need for each of these months. So you can see as I go through it step by step. And finally, the last one, I'm subtracting the beginning inventory. And then finally, step 3 is now I'm going to convert it from the quantity of units that I need times the cost per unit. And the cost is $3 per computer chip. So I'll put 3 all the way across here. Finish the multiplication, and I end up having the total amount of purchase. Now, if you were asked a multiple choice question, you might be asked, what is the amount of purchase for a single month? So you would have to be able to just do one of these columns. And the total amount here is 85,950, and hopefully everything is correct. Okay, so that's a direct materials budget, probably one of the more difficult budgets. There's 3 steps to it. So good luck on this one.